So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sell jewelry on Depop. So starting off, you will need to get to Depop. Once you get to your Depop account, you can see looking something like this. You can see sell now. You can also check out your account for your profile, your selling hub, purchases, settings, resolution center, and logging out. So if you click on sell now, you are going to be able to list an item, to describe it, give some information about it. Now that's really important is that you get high resolution images of the jewelry you want to sell. You can add descriptions for it and you can see the category. You can add a jewelry as an accessory. Now it's also quite important that you know what type of jewelry it actually is. So if it's for men, women, if it's maybe kids jewelry. So by assessing the specific category of that jewelry, you can then assess what type of jewelry it is. So you can see the brand that's available, something like Rockabye, Alloy, Diamond, Simply. So you can see the condition of that, if it's brand new, like new, how much of it there is, and you can learn more about SKUs and enhance stuff like where you got it from, maybe how old it is, if it's vintage, if it's Y2K. So you can add a lot of different hashtags to enhance that item. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to their channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Depop or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.